Good evening. The actions of two police are under the microscope tonight for pulling their tasers on a Gold Coast father in front of his terrified wife and daughter.
The officers were at the home to follow up on a traffic ticket when the situation exploded.
Consider it type 2 offence. It'll stay on your record for 5 years.
It starts out as a run-of-the-mill traffic infringement. This Parkwood father asking officers to prove he was driving unlicensed.
When you see it, straight away.
Then all hell breaks loose.
Stay here, you're under arrest.
He's backing away, unarmed, his wife standing between the constables and her husband. But within seconds, a taser is drawn.
Hey, do not shape up to us. This is a taser. Get on the ground. Get out of the way. Move out of the way. Mate, you're under arrest. Put your hands down. Get out of the way, man.
For what? Leave her
Put
alone.
your hands where we can see them. Get out of the way. You can't obstruct.
The female officer tries to calm the situation.
This is just an infringement notice. You guys need to relax.
The couple's horrified daughter comes outside, a taser still pointed at her dad, before a second is drawn.
Trespass on my
Leave your hands on
Get
there.
down.
Leave your hands
You have
on there.
trespassed
Leave your
on my-
hands on there.
Dad, just please! Oh,
You're under
God,
arrest.
please, this is...
Relax.
You guys are really proud. This is
Move
just
this way. Move this way.
Cuffed and put in the gutter, the man's wife continues to plead his case.
It was a ticket.
It was a ticket and I forgot to...
And look how you guys are acting. Grow up.
I thought she paid. I said to her, pay it this morning before I went to work.
The man was charged with obstruct police
Mate, you're lucky it's not assault police for clenching your fists like that.
and driving while unlicensed. Both offences thrown out in court today after police failed to provide their brief of evidence. The family lawyer says police went too far.
My client thinks that the police acted totally inappropriately. Pulling a taser on a young family just for a traffic offence is just not justified in the circumstances.
Jessica Millward, 9 News.